Here's how to fix Discord stuck on starting screen. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Launch the application from the search results. Use the search field at the top to find Discord. Right-click each Discord process that appears and select End Task. After closing all Discord processes, exit Task Manager. Now open the Start menu again and search for Discord. Right-click the Discord application and select Run as Administrator. Check whether Discord launches correctly. If the application still won't open, you'll need to try another solution. Open Task Manager again through the Start menu. Search for Discord and right-click the process. Then select End Task. Once you've closed Discord, exit Task Manager and open the Start menu. Search for Settings and select Settings from Results. From the menu on the left, click Time and Language, then select Date and Time. Check that your computer has the correct date, time, and time zone. Make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is enabled. You should also enable Set Time Automatically. Then, find the Sync Now option and click Sync Now to manually synchronize your computer's clock. After the synchronization is complete, close the settings window and try launching Discord again. If Discord is still stuck on startup, close the application and open Settings from the Start menu once more. Select Apps from the menu on the left, then click Installed Apps. Use the search field to find Discord. Click the three-dot menu next to the Discord application and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal by clicking Uninstall again, then wait while Windows removes Discord from your computer. Once the uninstallation is complete, open your web browser and search for Discord download. Press Enter and select the official Discord website from the results. On the download page, select Download for Windows and follow the installation instructions to install Discord again. After the installation is finished, launch Discord and check whether the startup problem has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.